Hiya, it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these beautiful bunny cakesicles. I've made the plain bases in the previous video. If you want to see this, check out the link within the description box below. To begin with, I'm just going to make the little ears that sit on the top. So all I'm going to do is roll out the white modelling paste about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. I get the shape of the ears by using this cutter. If you're interested, the link will be below. Just press it down and run it back and forwards over the bench so it doesn't stick. Repeat this process to get another ear. I'm gently rolling these to get a bigger shape. You only need a tiny bit of pressure so that it doesn't misshape. I've just put these to one side and I'm going to roll out some pink modelling paste. This time I'm rolling it a little bit thinner and squeezing the cutter in so it's a slightly smaller shape. Don't squeeze it too much or you'll end up breaking that cutter. I'm sticking the two parts of the ear together using a little bit edible glue. This is so easy to make yourself at home. Check out the link above. On both ears, I'm enhancing the shape by gently pressing a line down the middle using this curved tool. Once the line's there, I'm cutting the end off and pinching it together to give it a lovely ear shape. Oh, I nearly forgot, bend one ear down at the top to give it a cuter look. I'm happy with the shape of the ears now, so I'm starting to make the little bow. I'm just pressing the dark pink modelling paste into the mould. The colour I'll be using will be in the description box below. If you have trouble with it sticking in the mould, you can always just pop it in the freezer for around about 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it. To make a little nose, roll out the pink modelling paste that we had left over from the ears. Take your plunger cutter and just cut a little heart shape out of it. Then I'm giving the ears some depth by dusting the line with some pink sugar flare dust. Now that the parts are ready to stick on, just reheat some candy melts and put them on like I do. I like to make the eyes after positioning the nose because this allows us just to get it in the right place. To create the eyes, I'm going to roll out a tiny amount of modelling paste into a line and then I'm going to curve it around to get a lovely shape. Now I've got the position right, I'm using candy melts just to stick them down. I've coloured the eyelids by mixing the Rejuvenator and gold together. Then to get the eyelashes, just paint 4 lines using a thin brush. Last thing is just to apply the same pink dust to the cheeks and then add a gorgeous little ribbon to enhance the look. Here are the finished cute little bunny cakesicles. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.